Yo, people, what's up? And welcome to a nice talk about how your inner nature is your inner beauty. And you gotta base yourself not only on what's inside, but also on what's outside. And I'll put it very simple. You have, for example, food. And food is providing you some sort of energy. If you eat fruits and veggies, you have some kind of energy. If you eat only garbage, like a lot of sugar stuff, McDonald's, you get other kind of energy. If you stay in a city full of pollution, full of noises, full of teet, and so on, you'll get some kind of vibe. And if you get in a place like this, you'll get another vibe. And this is where it begins, because I've observed along my adventures that coming into nature is something that make me more natural, logistic, right? More creative, more simple, more full of love, more full of joy. I'm moving in the same time and I see a lot of images all around the places that I go, and I go for dream places. For example, this place here, I didn't pay like $10,000 just to travel somewhere with the plane and to sleep at a hotel and to eat food at restaurant and so on, By the way, I prefer to cook my food. I simply walked from my home into this place, and for me, guys, this place, it's a dream place. It's so chill. I can simply rest, I can dance, I can sing, I can write, I can cook, I can enjoy simply the air, this amazing energy, all this stuff. And I believe that you also have your dream places somewhere in your town, somewhere in your village, whatever is the place that you are watching this right now. And the cows are looking. You wanna be in the video? Where are the cows? Okay. Okay, now you're in the video. Good. They're happy. So you can just chill like that house over there and appear into someone's video that is making a video in the nature. Maybe naked, not now. Sometimes I love to be naked. So in nature you can do everything. In nature you can be yourself. You can develop yourself. You can be like, woo! Do whatever you want to do. You are also free in the town to do this, but there you may be scared of not being judged by people. But believe me, anything that you are doing, they're gonna forget. So what is really important is to be yourself, believe in yourself, and just come here around and enjoy the vibes. Some people are telling me that, oh my god, you are so brave going into the nature. But it's so simple. For example, if you feel like having some problems of going into the nature, first you can go in the park, then you can just set up yourself for a long hike, let's say, and just go on roads that you know, and in the moment that you don't know the roads anymore, you can listen to your inner voice and go just until the point that you can. Maybe push yourself a little bit more and then go back, just enjoy. And step by step you are going to explore deeper and deeper and feel this freedom and enjoy the vibe of the nature. The thing is that for me, life is about enjoyment. So I'm going to follow what I love to do and not focusing on my fears. Because whatever you are focusing on, it grows. So I prefer to focus on doing what I love instead of seeing all the dangers everywhere, all around, like on the news, and think that, oh my god, the world is such a scary place. It's just about the thoughts that you put it into your subconscious mind, and you can change that. Nature well, my tank top is like a flag right now.